Anybody that has a fueling installation, if you're looking at one or you have one, we can help you build it, we can help you manage it and maintain it and service it, from the parts to the brain power to come fix it, to the design of it, and everything in between. It's really a soup to nuts type of a solution. A number of our competitors may only do the construction, for example, or only provide the equipment, or only do the environmental consulting, or only do the cleanup. We can actually do the whole thing. It is truly a one phone call to us, and we can do it all for you.
If you can envision a wagon wheel, the center hub represents the customer. And all those spokes of that wagon wheel represent all the services that are driven to that customer's needs. We try to offer those differentiators that our competitors don't. And so we try to not be like the competition, but offer a little bit more. Sometimes customers will want you to tell them what they need, because sometimes they may not know. I mean, they look to us to be informed of what's going to impact their business and try to anticipate their needs so they can prepare for them better.
The product is necessary. Obviously, we're providing a fuel source to everybody to get to work, to go see their family, to go on vacation. But I think some people don't think about the emergency vehicles that we fuel, that we service the equipment that puts fuel in their vehicles. And we're transitioning from a petroleum business to a energy business. So we're providing fuel in other forms. So we're providing electricity as fuel now. We're selling battery chargers and car chargers, but we're also building power distribution systems.
Whether you're looking to buy a site and you need to do some due diligence and environmental site assessment, we can conduct that for you. When you're looking to even just buy the site, all the way through soup to nuts to build it, self-perform the work that's there, GC the whole building, and then put it all together for you, get it started up and running, up into when it's running and managing all the environmental tasks that go along with that.
We have these segments of our business that could stand alone, but when you couple them together, that's when I think we really provide value to the customer. That is not something that a competitor of Seneca's would provide. And it develops a great amount of loyalty because our customers can trust us to cover a large gambit of services for them. Those things are all coming together to make Seneca make a lot of sense to be a service provider and an installer and seller for that product.
Our employees are the heartbeat of the company. It's not myself or any of the other leaders. The people that are out amongst the customers, taking care of their issues, providing them what they need, they're the face of our company. And we want to make sure that our employees have the tools, the knowledge, and the training to represent the company in a manner in which it's expected by the customer. We spend a lot of effort and a lot of time making sure that our employees are fully trained. And my experience in the industry is we've by far exceed what our competitors are doing for their employees.
Having people who stay here for 20 plus years, I think, says a lot just by itself, that we're running an organization that allows them to have an opportunity to advance their careers and still provide a lot of value of that period of time. But over the course of 20 years, there's a lot that's changed, but they've seen a lot too, and it allows us to provide more of a mentoring type relationship, and they can pass on that knowledge base to virtually everybody else.
We like to look at our customers as partners, and we want them to see us as partners.